Hey there guys, it's RoseyLikeMe here, and today we're going to learn how to make Python wait. So right over here we have a while loop that counts down from 5. So it's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But it does it all at once, and we don't want that. So if we play that once more, it's boring, right? So what we want is to make Python wait before executing the next line of code. So what we're going to do that is import the time module. So import time. And then from the time module, we're going to have the sleep function thingamajiggy. So after we import time, we can go ahead and go into our code in which we want Python wait. So I'll say I want it to play after it prints the current number. So I'm going to do time.sleep and then enter the amount of seconds you want Python to wait. If I want Python to wait 1 second, we'll say 1. If you wanted it to wait a minute, you'd say 60 and so on. So I just want Python to wait 1 second. Now, if we run this, it should say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you could say blast off or whatever, but this says finished code. Now I want you to go ahead and try something out. Go ahead and try to make a counter from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could you go ahead and do that for me? You know what? Never mind. I'm going to do it myself. So, we're going to go ahead and count up from 1 to 5. So, I'm going to set the current number to... Do I set it to 1 or do I set it to 0? To be honest, I have no clue. Let's just say 0. So, while current number is less than 5, print current number, and then we're gonna make time.sleep 1 second current number plus equals 1. So this makes it count upwards. So I'll say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1. Oh, 0, because we started from 0. Excuse me. Also equal 5 because we want 5 to be included in this. And then later I'll change that to 1. So, but to be honest, this one kind of makes more sense from the 0. So anyways, I still have a lot to learn on Python, but this was something that I wanted to figure out. So I searched on Google and found that answer. So, I promise I haven't been lazy in doing this. It's just I updated my my Mac. There was a software update and I actually did it, and then my screen recorder stopped working. So here we are back with the tutorials and back with Python learning. If this helped you at all, which I know I learned, Rosaline. I learned. Go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and comment. Anything, just talk to me, I'm bored. Okay, thank you. Annyeong, bye.